Hi guys, so we're here just north of Flagstaff, and today is an adventure day. We're going to go see the Sunset Crater volcano, and I did just get my passport stamped. So we've got a map, and we just talked to one of the park rangers, and she said there's a 30-mile loop drive that we can do that brings us back out on 89. So we're going to go check that out today and just go have an adventure and see what we can see along the way. Hey Randy, what you doing?
Well, one of the things that we've learned about the water situation is to kind of get it when you can. So, and we've kind of been finding that when we come into the parks, if we just ask about dumping the kitchen garbage and getting water, that usually they say sure. So,
and our 7-gallon containers are working great because I mean, yeah, see, there's a sign right here, okay? So we just do, 28 gallons at a time. It seems to be working good, huh?
be grateful for what you can get.
That's right.
Just ask and be grateful when you get it. So, yeah, you can't pull the bus up here and run a hose over and fill it up. So, 7-gallon jugs are working good for us.
And guys, the amazing thing was this was just right at the park entrance. It's a state campground. And so we just came in and asked the park host, like Randy said. So we're so grateful to be able to get some more water. Half a mile to something. Oh, look at the lavas on your side.
Wow. Oh, I didn't expect that.
Okay guys, we're here at Sunset Volcano, and look at the rocks and stuff down here are just incredible. But that's it.
That is the crater right there. It's not what
Randy was expecting.
had envisioned but I haven't been to a lot of volcano craters.
Yeah,
so
but
that's called a squeeze up there. They say where it broke a crack in the crust of it, which they show here, and then that stuff squeezed up, and that's what that is right there. But yeah, I don't know what I expected, but it's different, but it's beautiful.
Yeah, it is. And it's not that far from the bus, so we're getting a day adventure. So, but yeah.
So there's 30 more miles of loop. Let's go drive around and see what that looks like.
Okay, let's go do it. So here is the backside of the volcano. We're just continuing on down the road. So we're on the road to Cinders Hill Overlook, and yeah, this would be what I would call the back side of the volcano, or the east side. And the clouds are just crazy today.
They're telling you to stay off of the volcano.
Uh-huh. Oh, wow.
Oh, that's it.
There's our road down there.
So it says on the sign here, it was built by the Pueblos. It's been here 800 years. And yeah, they're working hard to preserve it and keep it around because it's really cool.
Yeah, it looks really awesome out there. So we're gonna head out and see what it looks like up close, you guys.
I think this is definitely going to be worth the drive out to see it.
Yeah, I do too. I mean, the fact that it's 800 years old and it's still standing there, that was some major architect back in its time.
Yeah, you think it bowed out like that over time, or they built it like that?
They built it like that. Wouldn't you think?
I don't know.
On the inside you can see it where it curves.
Yeah. Just
Look at how wide it is.
I know. Did you
That's
see
like
the
2
curvature
foot
here?
thick here.
The curvature of this too. It's like, wow.
I think those are wall sconces or what?
Yeah, don't know. Definitely an interesting, you know, they might have said something back in there. This is incredible.
I don't know if that's a doorway.
Go around this way.
You won't fit through that doorway?
Yeah, I can, but
No, I mean stand beside it. That's a short door, if that's a door.
maybe it's a passway.
That's a port for the pizza delivery guy.
Really? Oh, wow, you do have to go through the door to get in there. This is interesting over here. We gotta crawl through this door back here.
Well, this was obviously the floor of another.
Look at that.
Yeah, you can see. So these walls are broken down.
Look at this.
Yeah.
Crack.
But you can tell it went around.
Uh-huh.
And this was a big room. I'll bet this was the penthouse.
The penthouse or the gathering room. Wow. But look at the structure, like right along in there and stuff. It's just, and if you stand out here, you can see how it overhangs. It's like incredible. I keep saying that word. The masonry work on this is definitely, wow. I mean, you can come up here and you can see how they really pack the mud in, and but you can see how wide it is, and let's go crawl through the little door. Let's see what we can see. Because there's even, you can tell there's a room on the other side of this. You know, and you can see it through that window there, but there's no access here to it.
Well, I think those holes in the wall there might have been for boards to make a roof over this.
Uh-huh.
I don't know.
I'm crawling through. Oh, there's an access hole over here, but holy cow.
I mean, I don't have to crawl through here?
It's even small. No, you do, but it's even smaller than that hole, but we're not going through. It's muddy.
Here.
Hey, baby.
I'm not crawling through there.
But yeah, so I'm on the other side. But guys, look at how small compared to that door. This one even got smaller. But oh, incredible. But it's a little bit muddy, so I'm not going to crawl through. But let's just see. It's a whole nother room in there. Yeah. That's cool. And again, you can see how thick these walls were. It's sturdily built. That is for sure. Look at even the support that they went out over the ledge. You know what I mean?
I don't think that was always there. I think that eroded away.
I think so. Okay. But it's kind of nice that they've got this trail. Wow, look at the coloring in the rock down below there. Wow, look at the movement that's in that. Yeah, I thought that was cute. And then you come around the corner from that and you start to see where they built.
But that was all probably just on top of a hill. That's probably all eroded away in the last 800 years.
And you can see down on the ground here the rock that they were actually working with.
Well, I think that over there's an example of how the rock was created for sure.
Yeah. This is unbelievable, huh?
Over there you can see how that flat sheets of rock fell. I'll bet they could just smash that into smaller pieces. I don't know. But there's definitely a uniformity. There was a lot of the same size rock used.
You know what's amazing, Randy, right here? You're looking up into the sun, so I don't know. But look how they squared the corner off with the rocks. Oh yeah, if you come right here, you can see it.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, so right here you can see how they used the rocks to square the corners off.
That's pretty cool.
Isn't that amazing?
Well, that's a pretty good walk around.